You might be knowing that T code SM37 is for looking into the background jobs. So I'll check what are the jobs which I ran today. So you'll see that I have run this job GSAPR 2 times. So one time it had some output, another it did not have any output. So I want to see what went wrong the first time. So what I'll do, I select this checkbox, and then on the command area on the top I write JDBG. So it's like job debug, and I hit enter. So what will happen, it will take me to some debugger screen, but this is not the program. Okay, so what you can do, you can just come out of it, hit F7 or return. So this is still in the standard area. I again hit F7, I again hit F7, I again hit F7. I am waiting till I see the program name is the program which I am looking for. I am again hitting F7, 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 again F7. So here I think I found the initialization. This is the program I was looking for. I'll do one more time, and then one more time, one more time. Here you go. Now I reach the top of the program. Now I am in my program at the beginning of the program. Now I can do the regular debugging. So I'll hit F5 or this one, single step. So I do F5, it takes me create object. If I do F5 one more time, the object is created. I can click over here, the object is created. Now I'll do F5 again. I go into the method of the class. This is a local class, and I go into the method. It is selecting from Mara. So I do F6. If the select succeeded is still 0, that means select succeeded, the size servers is 0. So I have around 300 entries. Now I do F5, again F5. Now I go to sub get planned. That means there is some code inside. This is a subroutine. I go F5, and then I go here, I do F5 again. Look here on the top, the size server C failed. That means this select did not work. Now I need to know why it did not work. So I'll check what is there, what is the entry. So I'll close this tool. I'll just double click on SMatner. So SMatner was nothing was passed. That means you should select everything from MARC. Now let's see what is there in this splant. So it's saying that select this up to 200 rows from MARC and keep it into table this. This is the table where it will store. Okay, but since the select failed, nothing is there. Where plant material is what we sent from the selection screen, and plant is what you send in the selection screen. Let's see the plant. Okay, plant has one entry. Now let me double click this. Okay, the plant entry is a junk value. That is the reason you did not get any output. So if you do this F5, you get this message, plant info not found, and then the program comes out. Okay, so that's how you do a background debugging. In most of the case, when you have the background job name, you can easily find the program name. So if I click this line and go to steps, I know the program name. So what I can do is I can go to this program name, open the program in T code SE38. I give the program name, and then I can put a debugger, because since I know the program name, I'll put a debugger at the beginning of the program. So let me put at the very first line, start of selection, I'll put it on this line. Alright, now I'll close this. I go to this background job. Now I want to do a background debugging. So what I'll do, I select the checkbox, I give JDBG again, hit enter. Now it stops in some standard code. Okay, so last time I showed you to do return, right? F7. This time you don't do return, because you have already placed a breakpoint. So you just do execute. So this will continue till the breakpoint is reached in your program. So I hit here, you'll check, it stops here. Now you can do it like a regular debugging. So this will take all the inputs, what was there exactly in your background job, and it will help you to simulate what was done in the job. So now you can debug it as like normal debugger. Hope you understood how you can do a debugging in background mode.